Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we got a quick guess what's in the box video. Is it a box from Amazon? So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? I hope you guys are having a great day. So before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So, I got this in the mail. It was sent to me. So, I'm not sure what it is, but it was an item that was sent directly to me from Amazon. So, it could be just about anything. But we're going to take measurements. And next video we're going to open it up. So this box is 6 1/4 inches wide. It is 18 1/8 of an inch long. And it is 5 3/8 deep. I'm not really sure what it is, but we'll open it, take a look at it. It's not very heavy. I mean, whatever the item is pretty small. You can definitely hear that it's a lot smaller than this box. But, you know, it's just a quick video. I do want to say thank you for all of you guys that watch the channel, hang out with me during the videos. I want to say please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Excuse me. One last thing, I want to say thank you to everybody that watches the channel. People that like, comment, dislike, people that watch, the people that are subscribed, not subscribed, people that use the affiliate links. You know, it's all because of you guys that the channel is monetized. So, I will be bringing a lot of things to the channel for you guys. I hope it's an enjoyment for you guys. I'm going to be doing head-to-head videos soon. We need to pick up 2 Sheetmaster jaw horses for personal stuff, as well as we're going to use them on the channel for holding wood down. I'm going to start doing head-to-heads with, you know, Metabo, Bosch, Milwaukee, DeWalt, Makita. We're all going to put all of them head-to-head, whether they're hammer drills or impact drivers, ratchets, whatever brands of ratchets. I do have, you know, impact wrenches. Between DeWalt, I got 8 volt, 12 volt, 20 volt, 60 volt flex volt, 120 volt flex volt. Milwaukee, I have M12 and M18. I don't know if I'm ever going to bring the MX fuel line to the channel. I don't necessarily need most of that stuff, but I might. If I get a deal on something like the generator or something like that, the inverter generator, I might. Got Makita 12 volt and 18 volt and 36 volt X2, as well as the 40 volt and 80 volt that Makita just came out with. We're going to be bringing to the channel as well. Got Bosch 18 volt core. I got some Black & Decker corded tools around here, as well as some corded Porter cable tools that we might be able to put head to head if that's something you guys are interested in. If any of these things are interesting to you, including I got some Metabo HPT Hitachi power tools, 18 volt and 36 volt multi-volt tools as well. So if any of that interests you, smush the bell notification icon. And appreciate you guys stick around, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!